Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Skype team. Good morning. Good morning, Harsha Pawan. Very good morning. Shakila will check your notes, ma, by the end of the day. Okay, and will update you. Okay, right. I'm sharing my screen. Please start the recording. Skype team. Yeah. Are you getting, ma? Skype team. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's start our class. Today we are going to focus black box testing. So that is nothing but defect reporting. So bug reporting. Make it as a side heading, ma. Please be in mute, everyone. Please be in mute. Yeah. Make it as a side heading, bug life cycle or defect life cycle. Bug life cycle or defect life cycle. Okay. Let's understand the pictorial diagram. Okay. Client will give requirements to the organization. As per the requirement, development will start. Okay. Once development done, application it will come. Requirements, as per the client requirement, development will start the application. That application, okay, once development completed with the help of unit testing and integration testing, that application is given to testing department. Got it? Whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats us new. See here, new. That means once the application we are going to testing, right, once we are going, once we are doing testing, if you find any issue, if you find any bug, we can treat it as new. Sometimes we are working as per the application, there is no issue in the application. What the thing you need to do? Stop the testing and go for next module. The same way, once the application is given to testing department, testing the application, if you find any issue, you need to treat it as new. Then the issue you are going to send it to development department. Development department checks the defect in the development environment. Okay, if the defect is valid means developer keep the status as open. Sometimes they have a chance to do with these flows also. If the issue is if the bug, if the defect is there, if the issue is there, okay, then developer need to confirm with open. Sometimes it is going to hold. Hold is nothing but sometimes it is coming, sometimes it is not coming, so they require some more time to check it out, so that's why hold. Reject, the its issue is not there. Okay, right now everything is working fine. Whatever the report you raised, right, that issue is not coming here. Okay, design. Design is nothing but actually, as per the pattern, it's a issue. But as per the client requirement, the requirements get changed. So no need to concentrate on the issue because we need to update that particular requirements to another flow. So that is nothing but design. Okay. Once developer accepted it, then you need to rectification. Rectification after modified, modified after fixed. Once the issue is fixed, once the bug is fixed, you need to send that to testing department. Testing department, once again they will perform unit testing, sorry, retesting and regression testing. Retesting and regression testing. Once the bug is rectified, close. If the bug is not rectified, they are going to reopen. They are going to reopen. What the thing, ma? reopen. Let's once again concentrate on it, ma. I will recollect it from once again. Okay, see here. Client will give requirements. As per the requirement, development will do application. Once the application release it to testing department started testing. While testing the application, they find any issue. Okay, then the issue is treated as new. If you are if you are testing the application, you are not getting any single issue, everything is working fine at the time. If issue is there means it's new. If issue is not there means stop the testing and go for next module. So we are talking regarding on the defect life cycle, right? If issue is comes, what the navigation flow. Okay, whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats as new. Then the defect will be sent to which department? Development department. Development department blindly accept the defect? No. Development department will check the defect in the development environment. If the defect is valid means valid, that is nothing but it's there. The defect is clearly says that, okay, whatever the issue reported by test engineer, the same thing it's happening here. The issue is there. That is nothing but open. Sometimes, okay, the issue is not coming. So you may have a chance to reject it. You may have a chance to hold it. Design is nothing but requirement change. Right now, that functionality is not exist. Change the requirement. So it's not required to fix it. So, if the issue is there, if the issue exists, they keep the status as open. Who keeps the status as open? Developer. Once, once defect or issue, defect or issue is opened, then the defect or issue is converted into bug. Once developer open this particular defect or issue, then it's conformed to bug. Bug after rectification, rectification after modification. That means they are ready to work on the fixing the bug. Once the issue is fixed, once the bug is fixed, development department released modified build with the name of 2.0 to testing department. Testing department will start retesting and regression testing on the modified build. If the modified build is verified correctly, close the bug. If it is not verified, reopen the bug. If the modified build is verified correctly, close the bug. If it is not, okay, if it is not rectified, reopen the bug and again send it to corresponding development department. My dear students, please focus on this particular diagram and concentrate on it. It's very, 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 very important. If any issue is there, how you are going to circulate in the company, it's going to derive here, ma. It's very, 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 very important for freshers. Senior people, you also should concentrate on it. Okay, let's start the communication, right? Are you understood? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you need to speak it out while
Yes, sir.
you are going for the interviews in a proper order. Let's start that proper communication like this. What is bug life cycle and define bug life cycle or defect life cycle? Everything is same, ma. Bug life cycle or defect life cycle, just concentrate on it. Whenever defect is raised for the first time, whenever defect, while you are testing an application, you need to say that defect or issue. Okay, later once developer accepted, then the defect or issue is converted into bug. Defect అన్నా బగ్ అన్నా ఇష్యూ అన్నా ఒకటేనండి. కానీ నొక్కి నొక్కి అడిగితే ఇఫ్ ద స్ట్రెస్ అండ్ ఆస్క్స్ యూ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ issue or defect or bug, if anyone asks you issue or defect is nothing but if software misses some features or functionalities from the requirement is nothing but issue or defect. Deviation from the expected result is nothing but bug. Okay, there is a slight difference is there. Please concentrate on it, ma. I will let you know first those conditions. As a test engineer, we are finding defects or issues. Defect, issue, bug, everything is a common meaning. Everything is equal. But there is a slight difference is there. If anyone asks you, okay, if this stresses you, you need to say the small difference clearly. Defect or issue: if software misses some features or functions from their requirements, is called as defect. Exactly, my client said that 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Buy any two products, you will get one product free. Then the count is 3. They clearly said that 3 is coming, displaying, but it's not in a consistent order. Immediately it disappears. After the calculation, okay, the result should be stable. The result should not be stable means it's a bug. Here, what the thing is happening, result is coming, but it's not in a consistent order. Immediately, it's going to disappear. So, as per the client requirement, once we get the result has to display, that's it. But within the fraction of seconds, result is not displaying consistent order. So if software misses some features or functions from their client requirement, is nothing but defect or issue. As a test engineer, how you are going to report the issues? As per the client requirement, if anything is not working, you are going to make it as a defect report. Am I clear? So defect or issue is nothing but like this. What is bug? I don't know, boss. As per the client requirement, 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So deviation from the expected result. What I expected, the result should come, and it has to be stable. Here, deviation from the expected result. Whatever I expected, it's not happening. It's deviating. So deviation from the expected result, you need to say that bug. Both are same, but there is a slight difference is there. Are you guys observe that? In the meaning itself only I conveyed clearly. If software misses some features or functions from their client requirement, is nothing but defect. Deviation from the expected result. నాకు తెలియదురా బాయ్. క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం అక్కడక్కడ పోయింది అనుకుంటే అది నువ్వు డిఫెక్టో బగ్గో ఇష్యూ అని పెట్టచ్చు. నాకు అనవసరం. అది 100% కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటేనే నేను అది ట్రీట్ చేస్తాను. లేకపోతే అది బగ్ అంట. షాప్లో 10 పెన్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా, 9 పెన్స్ బాగా ఉన్నాయి, బాగా రాస్తున్నాయి, అందరూ కొనుక్కుని వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ఒకే ఒక పెన్నుకి లోగో కరెక్ట్గా లేదండి. ఆ ఒక్క పెన్ను ఎందుకు ఆగిపోయింది? డిఫెక్ట్ ఆర్ ఇష్యూ ఉండటం వల్ల అది ఆగిపోయింది. అది 10 రోజుల తర్వాత అది ఏమవుతుంది? బగ్ అవుతుంది. ఐ క్లియర్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సే?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very very important. Interviews they will ask you. Error. Problem is identified in a program or code. Okay, while you are developing the scripts, if anything syntactical problems are nothing but errors. Fault or failure: customer finds a problem while utilizing the product, then we can treat it as fault or failure. Am I clear, guys, what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Like that you need to remember. It's very 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 important for interviews. Don't forget, guys, you have to remember always. Let's focus on the content, guys, one more time. Whenever defect is raised for the first time, see here, I used the terminology. Whenever defect or issue is raised for the first time, tester treats as new. What's the status, ma? New.
New.
The status of new, you need to raise the defect. Then the status will be new. Then the defect will be sent to corresponding which department?
Development.
Development.
As an engineer, you need to send the defect to development department. Developer checks the defect in the development environment. Blindly, they won't accept. Developer checks the defect in the development environment. If the defect is valid, means developer keep the status as
Open.
open. Developer makes necessary changes to fix the bug. Up to developer confirms up to defect or issue in same stage. But once developer accepted, okay, developer kept the status as open, then the issue or defect is converted into bug. Are you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once
Yes,
the
sir.
bug is fixed, once the bug is fixed, modified build, modified build release it to corresponding which department?
Testing department.
Testing department.
Okay. Testers once again conduct retesting and regression testing on the modified build. Are you guys cleared?
Yes, sir.
If the
Yes, sir.
modified build is verified correctly, close the bug. What do you think, ma? Close the bug. If the bug is not verified, reopen the bug. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And send it to corresponding development team as the same process will begin again and again until the bug to be rectified. This is called bug life cycle. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say? Once again,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to repeat it, ma. Whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats as new. Then the status will be new. The defect will send to corresponding development team. Developer checks the defect in the development environment. If the defect is valid means developer keeps the status as open. Developers makes necessary changes to fix the bug. Once the bug is fixed, modified build release it to corresponding testing team. Testers once again conduct retesting and regression testing on the modified build. If the modified build is verified correctly, close the bug. If it is not verified, reopen the bug and send it to corresponding development team. As the same process will begin again and again, again and again, again and again until the bug to be rectified. This is called bug life cycle. నా డయాగ్రామ్ చూసి మీరు చెప్పేయాలి ఎలాగా requirements development application. This application is given to testing. So my dear students, please start. Whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats us new, then the defect will be new, then the status will be new, then the defect will be sent to corresponding development team. Development team checks the defect in the development environment. If the defect is valid means developer keeps the status as open. Got it? Developers makes necessary changes to make the bug to be rectified. Once the bug is rectified, modified build release it. Once the bug is rectified is nothing but once the bug is fixed, modified build modified build release it to corresponding testing team.
Yes, sir.
Here you need to convey, okay, developers here developers makes necessary changes to fix the bug. Once the bug is fixed, modified build release it to corresponding testing department. Testers once again conduct తప్పు వచ్చిన దాంట్లో టెస్టర్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు? Testers once again conduct retesting and regression testing on the modified build. If the modified build is verified correctly, close the bug. If it is not verified, reopen the bug and again send it to corresponding.
Development.
This process will begin again and again, again and again, again and again until the bug to be rectified. This is called bug life cycle. నా స్టూడెంట్ ఫ్రెషర్ అయినా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ అయినా ఇది చెప్పాలి. బయట స్టూడెంట్స్కి నా స్టూడెంట్స్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ని మీరు బయట అడగండి. బయట స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏం చెప్తారంటే న్యూ డిఫెక్ట్ హోల్డ్ రిజెక్ట్ క్లోజ్ అని చెప్పేస్తారండి. ఇది ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ లెవెల్లో మీరు చెప్పగలిగితే, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్రెష్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ పర్సన్, ఈ విధంగా మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలండి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడగకుండా ఎవరు బయటికి రారు. రీటెస్టింగ్ రిగ్రెషన్ టెస్టింగ్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటండి? రీటెస్టింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ రీటెస్టింగ్? ఎగ్జిక్యూట్, యా ప్లీజ్ గో అమ్మా. Retesting, what is the meaning of retesting? Once we log the bug, Okay. You need to convey the exact meaning, ma. Executing the failed test cases in the current instance. అంతే కదండి. ఆ మీనింగ్ పడకపోతే మొత్తం పోయినట్టే. ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్ ద ఫెయిల్డ్ టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ ఇన్ ద కరెంట్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ రీటెస్టింగ్. కాదంటారా? నేను చెప్పిందే అదే కదా. రీటెస్టింగ్ అంటే ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరైనా ఏం చెప్తారు? వీఆర్ టెస్టింగ్ ద అప్లికేషన్, సెకండ్ టైమ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ రీటెస్టింగ్. ఇన్ ద నేమ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు సే am I right? But you need to convey the meaning in a proper order. What's the proper order? Executing the failed test cases in the current instance, whether the logged bug is correctly modified or not, correctly fixed or not. అంతేనా కదా? ఆ పదం పడాలండి. ఆ పదం పడకపోతే మీరు అంత చెప్పినా వేస్టే. అంతా సుత్తే అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇక చూడండి. ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్ ద ఫెయిల్డ్ టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ to find out logged bug is correctly fixed by the dev team or not. Executing the failed test cases in the current instance is nothing but retesting. నేను చెప్పింది ఏమన్నా రాంగ్ అండి? Executing the failed test cases in the current instance is nothing but retesting. Executing the failed test cases and find out logged bug is correctly fixed by the dev team or not is nothing but retesting. Regression testing. What is regression testing? Come on, my dear students, please concentrate on it. Yeah, Chandrasekhar Swami, please go ahead, Swami.
To find out whether the bug is defect in any other part of the application or not.
కాదు స్వామి, మీరు రీటెస్టింగ్, ఇప్పుడు రిగ్రెషన్ టెస్టింగ్కి ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది స్వామి. మీరు రీటెస్టింగ్ అన్నారు స్వామి. మీరు చెప్పింది కరెక్టే స్వామి, రిగ్రెషన్ చెప్పారు, మీరు పదం రీటెస్టింగ్ అన్నారు. ఓకే, నేను జస్ట్ కరెక్ట్ ద వర్డ్, దట్స్ ఇట్ స్వామి. ఓకే, సో రిగ్రెషన్ టెస్టింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ సెడ్ ఇస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ ఫైన్ మా. We will do regression testing to find out whether this bug affects any other parts in the application or not. We are going to test that application with right now passed test cases, that means retesting passed test cases, previously passed test cases, along with new requirements. The main intention is to say that whether this bug is fixed right, with these bug fixes, with these new fixes, it should not be effect in other parts of the application. That is called retesting. My dear students, are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, మరి టెస్ట్ డేటా అంటే ఏంటో కూడా చూడండి. టెస్టింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఆర్ నోన్ as test data. Testing related documents are known as test data. Test data is nothing but testing related documents are known as test data. If it is a test case document, defect reporting document, severity document, okay, and testing related all the prerequisite documents, scenarios, cases, defect reports, functionalities, flow of orders, assignments, everything comes under test data. Testing related stuff is nothing but test data. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
The same way you need to test that application like this. Got it, my dear students? Next, we are going to discuss with another topic. Very, 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 very such an important topic in real time. What's the exact difference between severity and priority? Severity severity describes how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Severity describes how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Each and every bug will have the severity, effect of bug in the functionality. That is nothing but severity is going to assign by whom? Test engineer. That means, my dear students, please concentrate on it. How can I say that this issue is a severity issue? You just went for hospital ma. Okay, you observe that one is fever, suffering with fever case. One is headache problem. Third one is accidental problem. Who is going to treat first, ma?
Accidental problem.
Why you can say that accidental problem?
Because this is big issue than other.
Yeah, see here. Among these three issues, which one condition is serious?
The
Accident.
accidental case.
Okay, the same thing, ma. Okay, the same thing you need to convey here properly. The same thing you are going to convey here properly. How you are going to convey here properly? How you are going to convey here properly? So let's concentrate on it. Okay, severity describes how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Each and every bug will have severity. Effect of bug in the functionality. That is nothing but tester point of view. Am I clear, guys, what I'm going to say? Severity describes how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Severity describes how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Among the three cases, accidental case is the very serious case. So if you treat first, you can save them. So how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Each and every bug will have the severity. The same way, while you are testing an application, you got out of 10, you got two issues. In the third and fourth line, GUI issues. That is nothing but instead of username, USER, E spell missed, USRNAME, username, spell missed, and password text box alignment missed, those are two bugs. And at the point of ending ninth and 10th module, when you entered username valid one, when you enter password valid one, if you click on login button, it's navigated to next page, but output page, it's going to come with, I mean, it's getting the result as null. See here, when you entered username and password, when you hits with login button, it's navigated to next page. But when it's navigated to next page, every module is not displaying. It's coming with null data, empty page it is coming. That is nothing but a functionality bug. Am I clear, guys, what I'm going to say? Hey, please respond, both the teams.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see
Yes,
here,
sir.
2 and 3 are 2 and 3 are GUI issues. Okay, 9 and 10 are functionality issues. Ninth one is this issue. Are you understood? When you entered valid username, when you entered valid password, okay, it's navigated to next page with empty data. That is one issue. Although you entered valid username, although you entered invalid password, again it's going to null data. Both the functionality issues, 9 and 10 are functionality issues, 2 and 3 are GUI issues. I reported these 4 issues to the developer. How I am going to report these particular issues? As a test engineer, I kept username. Okay, 2 and 3 are lower severity. Severity as 2 and 3 issues are lower, but 9 and 10 are high severity. Are you understood, guys? Without working properly of 9 and 10, I can't move for next level. So that's why I treated as a test engineer. 9 and 10 issues are severity as high, 2 and 3 are severity as low. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Like that, you need to identify it. Severity describes how seriously bug is impacting the application. How can you know that you can make a severity? Depending on the issue, right? If the issue is not moving for next level, then you can treat it as a functionality issue, then severity as high. If the issue is spelling mistake and alignment mistake, it should not disturb to the work. ఇప్పుడు స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉండటం వల్ల, అలైన్మెంట్ మిస్టేక్ ఉండటం వల్ల మీ టెస్టింగ్ ఏమైనా ఆగిపోతుందండి?
No, sir.
But 9 and 10 issues, while that issues, there is a showstopper, there is a breakage. Are you understood or not? Come on, my
Yes,
dear
sir.
students.
Yes,
So
sir.
you need to treat like this. In real time, we are going to treat the issues as a severity and priority like this. See here. Then the project release is 6 months is there, ma. Okay. I mean, there is a long space of 6 months delivery time is there. Now you are testing an application. Second and third issues are GUI issues. It's not affected to my testing process. It is a issue. I accepted, but low issues. But 9 and 10 issues, I need to log in. If I log in, I can able to do the long run of 5 to 6 hours of testing. While at the initial stage of login only, it's may gets failure. Then as a test engineer, 9 and 10, I should treat it as a high severity, and 2 and 3 are low severity. Are you guys understood? This is the way you need to rise the severity kind of issues. Severity is nothing but, have you guys recollect the subject in defect reporting? Any one of you from Skype team, any one of you apart from Sudha Pavani and rest of the guys, those who are speaking regularly, out of them, Shakila, Sheikh Shakila, open your mouth. Yeah, please go with template of defect, bug tracking. What's the defect template? Defect reporting template. While you are reporting a defect, you are writing the headings. That headings you need to call it as defect report template. What's the defect report template you are following? Very good. Bug title, bug ID, bug title, bug description or steps, status. Are you understood, my dear students? Are you understood? Bug ID, okay, bug title, bug description or steps, status. Right now we occurred this right. We completed right. Whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats as. Come on.
New.
Severity, priority. What is the meaning of severity? Severity is always related to tester point of view. Priority is always related to customer point of view. While you are testing an application, as a test engineer, you know, right, which one is severity high, which one is severity low. You know or not? Come on.
No, sir.
చూడండి, నేను వాడిన డిఫెక్ట్ సివియారిటీ ప్రయారిటీ కొంత టైం ఇవ్వండి చెప్తాను అన్నాను కదా. రైట్
Yes,
నౌ
sir.
I got a space to explain this severity and priority. While reporting the bugs, you need to analyze like this. As a test engineer, you need to raise the defects. See here, if it is a small issue or big issue, it doesn't matter. If the with that particular issue, it affects to your testing, breakages to your testing process is nothing but severity as high. It's not affected to your testing. Okay, issue is there, then you can treat it as low. Are you guys comfort with my answer?
Yes, sir.
So,
That's the way you need to go with severity. My dear students, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
In that case, my dear students, please focus on it. See here, read, enter password. Password is not matching. This issue, with this particular issue, is there any breakage for our testing?
No, sir.
So that's why I treat it as low. Okay, I entered all the valid data. If I am trying to hit on register, okay, register successfully done, but it displayed with empty page after the registration. That is a functionality bug, right?
Yes, sir.
Registration done ma, but it's coming with after the registration everything is a white page. Okay, it is a bug or not? Hey guys, please speak it out.
Functionality bug.
That's fine. So then you can treat it as severity as high. Got it?
Yes.
సివియారిటీ అనేది ఎవరు నిర్దేశిస్తారండి? హూ విల్ అసైన్ దిస్ సివియారిటీ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్?
Tester.
Tester.
Very good.
Testers.
One of the very very important interview question ma. Who are going to assign severity and priority? మనమే, నమ్మండి. Who are going to assign severity and priority? Tester.
Testers.
Okay, right. Very good, ma. Let's focus on the content what we are going to explain for today. Okay, discussing for today. Let's concentrate on it. Severity, tester point of view. Okay, whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats as new. Sorry, you just concentrate on it. I explained about the status. Why I speak it out, ma? Whenever defect is raised for the first time, tester treats as new. Depending on that particular new, whether the issue is going to seriously takes the action, you can make it as a severity as high. If it is not a seriousness without any breakages, you can treat it as a low.
No.
That's the thing, bro. Okay, and my dear students, please concentrate on it. Critical. Critical is nothing but, no boss, if it fixed only, I can move to next level. There is no scope to move to next level. I am waiting for fix it. That is nothing but blocker. Very high. Within 2 to 3 hours you need to fix this issue, otherwise it may get escalation. Escalation అంటే ఏంటండి? ప్రాబ్లం అది ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. హై, సాయంత్రం లోపల చేసి ఇచ్చాయి. మీడియం 2-3 రోజులు తీసుకో, పర్వాలా. లైట్ తీసుకో, లో. ఆర్ యు గైస్ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్
Yes,
గోయింగ్
sir.
టు సే?
Yes,
ప్రాబ్లం
sir.
ఏంటి ఎఫెక్ట్ 100% నువ్వు ఫిక్స్ అవుతేనే ముందుకెళ్తావు. ఓకే, 2 to 3 అవర్స్లో ఫిక్స్ అవుతేనే ముందుకెళ్తావు. ఒక రోజులో ఫిక్స్ అవుతేనే ముందుకెళ్తావు. ఓకే, మీడియం. ఓకే, 2 to 3 days. ఓకే, లైట్ తీసుకో. ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సే?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in real time we are going to make the issues in. Okay, sometimes it may get a chance to go with critical, that thing. Otherwise most of the feasible orders medium and low. Got it? Sometimes it's high also. How can you know that? Without going further step, you can treat it as a high only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, it's not affecting for our testing. Project releases 6 months is there or 3 months is there, still GUI issues and validation issues are there, we can treat it as a low. Cosmetics issues always low. But when you are going to treat it as a low, if the project releases 6 months, if the project releases 3 or 4 days, then you kept long back as a low. Right now still the issues are there. Now the low issues are converted into high severity issues. ఏమండి, పెద్దవన్నీ ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయినాయండి. ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ 6 నెలలు కాస్త 3 రోజులకు వచ్చేసిందండి. ఇప్పుడు లోలో పెట్టినవన్నీ ఏమై కూర్చుంటాయి?
High good.
అర్థమైందా? కొత్త బంగారు లోకం మూవీ, ఎవ్రీవన్, వాళ్ళకి రైట్ అయింది మీకు రాంగ్ అవ్వచ్చు, మీకు రాంగ్ అయింది వాళ్ళకి రైట్ అవ్వచ్చు. The same thing it is going to apply here. If the client release is so long for, you can treat it as comfort level. If the client release is nearby, you can treat it as the small issues and low severity kind of issues. It is going to treat it as convert as high severity. Because ఏది కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటుందని చెప్పలేమండి. రిలీజియస్ను బట్టి ఆ ప్రయారిటీ సివియారిటీస్ మారిపోతాయి. ఐ క్లియర్? The same way, if there is a long days for exam, your preparation is different. There is a short term, your preparation is totally different. Am I acceptable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The same way you need to convert to the real time. So my dear students, please concentrate on it. Cosmetic. సో కాస్మోటిక్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే ఏదో మేకప్కి సంబంధించింది అనుకోవద్దు. సో కాస్మోటిక్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలి అంటే మేకప్ ఏనండి. సో అమ్మాయిలు మేకప్ వేసుకుంటారు చూసారా. సో కాస్మోటిక్, మై ఇంటెన్షన్ ఇస్ టు సే దట్ సమ్ కంపెనీస్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ట్రీట్ ఇట్ as కాస్మోటిక్. Cosmetic application contains cosmetic mistakes like GUI kind of activities, graphical user interface. So my dear students, please concentrate on it. Cosmetics kind of, cosmetic అంటే ఏదో కొత్త పదం చూస్తున్నట్టు మీరు ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోకండి. కాస్మోటిక్ ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళదండి, మీకు తెలుసున్న పదమే అది. కాస్మోటిక్ అంటే ఏంటండి? GUI kind of issues. Are you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, anansi. Functionality was working but performance is not expected. అది కూడా ఒక ఇష్యూయే కదమ్మా. అంతా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉందండి కానీ క్లిక్ చేస్తే గంటకు వస్తుందండి, అదే ఇష్యూ.
Functionality.
యా,
Network
అంటే
issues.
అంటే పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇష్యూ. ఫంక్షనాలిటీ is working but it will take some time to process. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say? Hey guys, please respond to my question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, critical. Some functionality is working but it will take some time and it's a showstopper. Showstopper ante enti? Unless we can't fix that particular issue, we can't go for next level. Critical anna showstopper anna anni ఒకటేనండి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ద టర్మినాలజీ బాస్. ఎందుకంటే కంపెనీ టు కంపెనీ మారిపోతాయి, ఏది మారినా ఒకటేనండి. కాస్మెటిక్ అంటే ఏంటి?
GUI issues.
దట్స్ ఇట్, అలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, రైట్. ప్రయారిటీ ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి అమ్మా. ప్రయారిటీ డిస్క్రైబ్ ఆర్డర్ టు ఫిక్స్ ద బగ్. Are you guys understood? You know the severity. Depending on the severity, who is going to treat first? Accidental case only, right?
Sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you know the
Yes, sir.
severity, you can know the priority automatically. Am I right? Please be mute, ma. If you know the severity, you can easily pick out the priority. Am I right?
Sir.
Okay, severity and priority. Priority describes order to fix the bugs. Priority describes order to fix the bugs. That's it. This is customer point of view. Priority is always related to whom point of view, ma?
Customer point of view.
Severity is always related to whose point of
Te-
view, ma?
Yes, sir.
Tester.
That's it. So my dear students, I want to convey you only single meaning. Up to here, if you know means it's good to go. It's comfortable level to go, ma. Okay. Just give me some space of time. Okay, within 5 minutes to 10 minutes I will come, ma. I will drop my kid to school and I will come. Okay, in meanwhile, my dear students, okay, just note this particular diagram to your notes and convey whatever the English you know. Okay, within 10 minutes I will come, ma. Got it?
Sir.
Okay, please be concentrate and write it down. Same Skype team, please be concentrate like this, ma. Okay, I need answers from you.
Yes, sir.
Right, please
sir.
be concentrate and write it down.
Yes, sir.
Individuality, don't discuss, ma, anyone. After that, I will go. Both the teams, you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, please concentrate on it. 5 minutes we'll discuss. Okay, right. So priority, I told you right what the meaning of priority. If you know severity, it's a easy way to find a priority. Ready? Okay, if you know the severity, it's able to find the priority. Okay, so severity describes how seriously the bug is impacting the application. Priority describes order to fix the bugs. Okay, so see here, my dear students, depending on the release date, severities and priorities are changing. Are you accepted that thing, right? ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ 6 నెలలు ఉన్నప్పుడు కంఫర్ట్ లెవెల్లో కూర్చొని చేస్తామండి. అదే ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ 2 to 3 days ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆఫీస్ అవర్స్ సేమ్ ఇంతకు ముందులాగా స్టార్టింగ్ వచ్చి ఎండింగ్ కరెక్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోతావా? ఎక్స్ట్రా టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుందా లేదా ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చే కలది?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
సో ప్రయారిటీస్ సివియారిటీస్ అన్నీ కూడా చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయి ఎప్పుడు? ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేటప్పుడు. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ మా. Try to concentrate these examples also. High severity with low priority. Okay, low priority with high severity, low priority with low severity, high priority with high severity. ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు పనికిమాలిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ యూ నీడ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ఇట్. Okay, only severity and priority. Okay, once I come back, I will let you know this question very clearly, ma. Up to now, please concentrate this particular bug life cycle concept and write it down whatever you understood from the document as your own sentence. Observe my document. Okay, how I explained you right, just try to keep it in your notes. Within 10 minutes I will come, ma. Let's continue now. Both the teams, are you able to hear me? Hey, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Both the teams,
Sir.
hear me. Let's concentrate on it. Where we are now discussing severity and priority, right? Let's focus on it. Okay. Only one thing, ma. If you know severity clearly, you can raise a defect, ma. Priority, what's the exact priority condition you know? It's easy. Main overly, it's based on the severity only. If you know severity, it's an easy way to find it out the priority. Let's concentrate, my dear team. Okay, what is this disturbance? Let's focus on it. Okay, team, let's focus on it. So, high priority. First of all, we are going to check it about. Okay, high severity with low priority. First, we are going to check with high severity with low priority. My dear students, please concentrate on my terminology. High severity and low priority. Okay. In interviews, they will ask you these stupid kind of questions, ma. Okay. Explain about high severity and low priority and high severity, low priority and low severity, low priority with low severity. Like this, they will confuse you. Don't confuse, my dear students. Whatever they will ask you, just ignore it. You need to convey the answer, only stick to your answer. Okay. High severity bugs will have high priority. For severity, what would be the reverse condition? Priority, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
High severity bugs will have high priority. Are you accepted or not?
Sir.
Why? హై సివియారిటీ బగ్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ హై ప్రయారిటీ. వాడికి సీరియస్నెస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది అంటే క్లయింట్కి కూడా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నట్టే కదా. సివియారిటీ ఎక్కువగా ఉందంటే ముందు చేయాల్సింది అదే కదా. నేను ఏం చెప్పాను? సివియారిటీ, హెడేక్స్ కేస్, ఫీవర్ కేస్, యాక్సిడెంటల్ కేస్. సివియారిటీ ఎవరికి సివియారిటీ ఎక్కువగా ఉంది?
Accident case.
అంటే ప్రయారిటీ. ఆ యాక్సిడెంటల్ కేస్ నువ్వు కూర్చో, ఫస్ట్ హెడేక్ కేసుని చూస్తానంటారా?
నో సార్.
మరేంటి సివియారిటీని బట్టే కదా నీకు ఏం చేయాలని తెలిసింది నీకు.
Yes, sir.
Depending on the severity only, you can know the priority right now, order to fix the bug. If the seriousness is high, you are going to treat it as a priority is also high. If seriousness is low, priority nu kuda low తీసుకుంటాం. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
మరి అది చెప్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. హై సివియారిటీ బగ్స్ అలాంగ్ విత్ లో ప్రయారిటీ. ఓకే, హై సివియారిటీ బగ్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ హై ప్రయారిటీ. ఒప్పుకుంటారా, ఒప్పుకోరా?
Accept, sir.
ఈ రెండిటిని కలిపి చూడొద్దండి. ఎప్పుడైనా అడిగినప్పుడు నేను సివియారిటీ గురించి మాట్లాడితే దాని గురించే మాట్లాడండి. సివియారిటీకి రివర్స్ కండిషన్ ఏంటండి?
Priority, sir.
Priority.
High severity bugs will have high priority. Are you accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
Same like that. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, low priority bugs will have low severity. ఒప్పుకుంటారా? Hey, my dear students, please don't treat these two terms in a single window. If you observe these two terms in a single window, you can't say the answer. So whether it is in a single window, you just focus on first term and after that second term. So my intention is to say that you need to focus on first term. High severity bugs will have high priority. Are you accepted or not?
Accepted, sir.
Yes, sir.
Low priority bugs will have low severity. Are you accepted or not?
Accepted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Just focus on it. Here, high severity, low priority. Just focus on it, my dear students. When you click on something on the web page not found when user clicks on a link. Actually, you entered valid username, you entered valid password, you clicked on submit button. What the thing it need to happen here? It need to successfully log in. But what happened when you click on that login link or submit link, the page is not visits to the next page. It's going to break case. That is nothing but a severity as high severity, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But priority is also high. As per the condition, severity high means priority is also high. But interviewer asked me, what's the question? Explain about high severity and low priority. మన మన ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్ ఏమని అడిగాడు? హై సివియారిటీకి లో ప్రయారిటీకి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పమన్నాడు. అప్పుడు నువ్వేం చెప్పాలి అంటే హై సివియారిటీ బగ్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ హై ప్రయారిటీ. Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
But as per the condition, I need to explain about high severity with low priority. When I clicks on any link, it's not redirects to appropriated page. It's getting breakage. It's getting breakage. Web page not found when user clicks on link does not exist. Page visits generally. Okay. When I click on login, okay, web page not found, it's getting some breakages. So that's why severity as high and priority as low. Why I am treating as priority as low means, okay, this project release is went for, okay, this project release is going to deliver for after 6 months. But although that functionality issue, although that functionality issue which differs to the, okay, which differs to the project perspective. I will give you best example, ma. Just concentrate on. Today you are going to release 1 to 10 modules. In that 1 to 10 modules, okay, 1 to 5 modules today only you are going to release. Tomorrow 6 to 10 along with 1 to 10, everything tomorrow you are going to release. The issue is there at 9th module. Okay, the issue is there at 9th module. Okay, so as per the release of the customer perspective, okay, priority perspective of a customer, whatever the product going for release today, right, in that there is no issue, right? Customer will happy or not?
Yes, sir.
1 to 5 I need to deliver to the client. In 1 to 5 there are no issues, but 6 to 10, ninth one, it consists of an issue. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You need to
Yes, sir.
because if you treated these two terms in a single page, you can't get the answer. Why? హై సివియారిటీ ఏమండి ఇక్కడ పేజ్ క్లిక్ అవుతలేదు అంటే వీడికి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో ప్రయారిటీ వాడికి కూడా అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్. అవునంటారా కాదంటారా? 100% అవునది. When you click on something, the page is not redirect to appropriated page. That is nothing but severity is high means priority is also high only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇది యూనివర్సల్ ఆన్సర్ అండి. కానీ ఇక్కడ మన అడిగింది ఏంటాడు? హై సివియారిటీకి లో ప్రయారిటీకి చెప్పమన్నాడు. అందుకని మనం ఏం చేసాము? హై సివియారిటీ బగ్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ హై ప్రయారిటీ. ఓకే, యు ఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ దట్ severity bug. When I click on web page, it's not redirected to appropriated page. Web page is not found, it's getting. Does not visit the page generally. It's getting some breakage. So that's why severity is high. I am going to convey you priority. In this meaning of the priority, I am picking for, today I am going to release for 1 to 5 modules. You can pick the example differently. Today I am going to deliver 1 to 5 modules only, but tomorrow I am going to deliver 6 to 10 modules. Okay, in 1 to 5 modules there is no issue, but 9th module it consists of issue. Then priority, as per the priority point of view, whatever the issue today, whatever the modules today I am going to release, right, so there is no issue. So that's why priority becomes low. But tomorrow if it's same like that, severity high and priority also becomes high. ఆ సందర్భాన్ని నువ్వు వివరించాలి ఇలాగా. Am I clear, guys, what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
అండి ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కి అర్థమైందండి, both the teams?
Yes, sir.
Sudha
sir.
Pavani, I'm expecting some doubts in this particular కాన్సెప్ట్ మా. ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ రియల్లీ? అందుకనే కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా చెప్దామని ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే రెండిట్లనే కలిపితే మొత్తం పోతుందండి. ఎవరు ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పలేరు. ఎందుకు అంటే హై సివియారిటీ ఉంది అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఏది ఉంటుంది? లో సివియారిటీ ఉంది అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఏముంటుంది?
సివిఆర్.
ఓకే, మనం while we are testing an application, you have only two conditions. Okay, if it is affecting to the application, we can't move for next level. The simple severity becomes higher. Low kadamma, you are not redirects to next page. It's a showstopper, it's a blocker. Then immediately what the severity we are going to pick it out?
హయ్యర్.
High severity. చెప్పండి
sir.
గట్టిగా. ఏమండి, while we are testing an
sir.
application, we can't go for next level. Showstopper, blocker is there. Simply high severity. Okay, spelling mistake, GUIs, alignments, ఇవన్నీ లో సివియారిటీ. ఈ రెండే కదండి మనం పెట్టేది. దీన్ని బట్టే కదా ప్రయారిటీ సివియారిటీ చేస్తాం. రియల్ టైంలో వర్క్ చేయడానికి ప్రాబ్లమే లేదు మీకు. కానీ ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లము? ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్కి వెళ్ళి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయడమే ప్రాబ్లం. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం షార్ట్ చెప్తున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. ఆర్ యు గైస్ అండర్స్టూడ్? ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కొన్ని చెత్త క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారండి. ఆ చెత్త క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ మీరు కూడా 100% క్లారిటీగా చెప్పాలి. ఎందుకు అడుగుతాము అంటే, హౌ మచ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఆఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్, వీ నీడ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ ఇట్. గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's concentrate, my dear students. High severity and low priority. You need to convey this answer. High severity bugs will have high priority. Okay. When I clicks on some link, web page not found, it's not redirects to appropriated page. So that's why I treated as high severity. Coming to low priority, there are 10 modules are there. In the 10 modules, today I am going to release with 1 to 5 modules. In this 1 to 5 modules, there is no single issue. But tomorrow, whatever I am going to deliver, right, in that one issue is there. So, ఈ రోజు నా క్లయింట్ ఏం చెప్పాడు? నా గురించి చాలా అద్భుతంగా చెప్పాడు. ఏమని? We got the release from the particular company. We are 100% satisfied with this product delivery. Marvelously, it's working. వాడు చెప్తారండి. ఎందుకంటే మనకి తెలుసు ఇప్పుడు పెంపించే దాంట్లో ఏ ఇష్యూ లేదు, కానీ రేపు డెలివరీ చేసే దాంట్లో గత 30 రోజుల నుంచి మనం ఫిక్స్ చేస్తున్నాం. కానీ ఎక్కడో ఒక్కడ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ వచ్చి 100% క్వాలిటీగా రావట్లా. కానీ రేపు అన్న రోజున, రేపు అనేది ఎక్కడుంది?
సివియారిటీ
పక్కనే ఉంది కదమ్మా రేపు అనేది. సో తన గురించి ఎంత గొప్పగా చెప్పినా కూడా రేపు అనే రోజున ఏమో 100% అది ఈ రోజు కానీ ఫిక్స్ అవ్వలేదు అంటే రేపు పొద్దున్న ఇప్పుడు దాకా చెప్పిందంతా పోతుంది కదా. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I need to say it as, today whatever I am going to deliver, client is happy because there is no bug in that particular module. Tomorrow I am going to club with 1 to 5 along with 6 to 10. There it consists of one bug. So that's why it's became as a సివియారిటీ, హై సివియారిటీ అండ్ లో ప్రయారిటీ. మళ్ళీ దాన్ని రివర్స్ కండిషన్లో పెట్టి మళ్ళీ నిన్ను క్వశ్చన్ అడిగిన వాడికే రివర్స్ కండిషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇచ్చాను. ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సే?
Yes,
Hey
sir.
guys, that concept I am expecting from you. Everyone is cleared with this particular topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's focus on
Yes, sir.
some waste kind of questions. Okay, high priority with low severity. మళ్ళీ చూడండి, దీన్ని రివర్స్ చేసేసాడు. హై ప్రయారిటీ విత్ లో సివియారిటీ. హై ప్రయారిటీ బగ్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ హై సివియారిటీ. ఆర్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే,
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ హై ప్రయారిటీ లో సివియారిటీ చెప్పమన్నాడు అంటే సింపుల్ గా చెప్పేయచ్చు. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్, అలైన్మెంట్ మిస్టేక్స్, కాస్మోటిక్స్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉండటం వల్ల అదేమవుతుంది? లో సివియారిటీ. నా టెస్టింగ్ ఏమి ఇబ్బంది కాదు కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, కానీ మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, లో సివియారిటీ పెట్టినప్పుడు ప్రయారిటీ కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? ఎప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ 1 year ఉన్నప్పుడు, ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ 2 రోజులే ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ సివియారిటీ లోలో పెట్టి కాస్త ఏమై కూర్చుంటాయి?
హై.
అంతే. ఇప్పుడు దానికి ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నాను వినండి. ఇఫ్ ద కంపెనీ నేమ్ ఈజ్ మిస్స్పెల్డ్ in home page of the website, the priorities became high and severities became low. ఎప్పుడు కండిషన్? ఓకే, ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలీజ్ 2 రోజులు ఉందనగా అర్థమైందా? నువ్వు ఇంతకు ముందు లోలో పెట్టినవన్నీ కాస్త ఇప్పుడు ఏమై కూర్చున్నాయి? హై అయి కూర్చున్నాయి.
High.
ప్రయారిటీ కూడా వాస్తవానికి ఏమై కూర్చుంటది? సివియారిటీ తోటి ప్రయారిటీ రెండు కూడా హై అయి కూర్చుంటది. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
But you need to convey the answer properly. Okay, if the company name is misspelled, okay, in the home page, the website, the priorities became high and severities became low. Because as a test engineer, if the project release is there, okay, 2 days to sort it out the issue, it's not affecting to my application, although I can treat it as a okay low. But coming to the project release very nearby, it's treated the low severity bugs will become as a high priority and the project release is very near to right, so that's why it became as a high priority. కస్టమర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఏమవుతుంది? ఆ చిన్నగా ఉన్నది కాస్త డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏమై కూర్చుంటుంది? అది while you are testing phase, it's not fixed ma, then the priority became కస్టమర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూకి వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఆ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ కాస్త ఏమైపోతుంది?
High, sir.
హై అయిపోతుంది. ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కన్వే? డోంట్ ట్రీట్ దిస్ 2 terms ఇన్ ఏ సింగిల్ బెంచ్. ఇఫ్ యూ ట్రీటెడ్ యూ డింట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఆన్సర్. నేనేది చెప్పినా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ గా ఉంటుందండి. హర్ష పవన్, ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్స్? సుధా పావని, షకీలా, both the teams, don't treat these 2 terms in a single bench. You can separate it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, low priority with low severity. Any cosmetic spelling mistakes, paragraph mistakes, both becomes as low priority and low severity. Are you accepted or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, high severity and high priority. Okay, we are going to conduct a conference meeting ma. Everyone came to the conference room. When I switch on the light, it get bursted the total room ma. What happened? The application crashed along with the switch on the light. Okay, it's interconnected to the software. What happened? Totally destroyed the application point of view. Both are very high, right? I'm explain about
Sir.
Flipkart owners like Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal. Okay, when I explore it, Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal explaining about their curriculums, if I click on that particular software, the software get bursted. Just assume it crashed. It's became as a high priority and high severity, right? Got it ma?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Only one thing, whatever the things they will ask you in the interview, just ignore it. Only one thing you need to deliver: high severity bugs will have high priority, low severity bugs will have low priority as per the condition of severity. Okay, you can pick one example to satisfy the severity. Severity is nothing but if I click on some functionality, it's not working, so it's affecting to my application, so that's why I treat it as high severity. Okay, coming to low priority, the project issue is there in the current release of 1.5 version. Today we are not going to send that particular issue. Tomorrow we are going to club it as though the priority becomes as a low, but tomorrow is very near to the hours basis, so that's why it's became as a high severity. Are you guys? A small minute change you need to elaborate to the client. కాట్ ఇట్. నేనేం చెప్పానో అర్థమైందండి? ఆ చిన్న వ్యత్యాసాన్ని, సివియారిటీని, ప్రయారిటీని ఏంటో చెప్పడం తెలిస్తే మీకు ముందు ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేసేయండి. ఆ తర్వాత ఆ సాటిస్ఫై చేసేసే ప్రక్రియలో సివియారిటీ అంటే ఏంటి, టెస్టింగ్ ఆగిపోతుంది కాబట్టి సివియారిటీ అని చెప్పాం. ఓకే, ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ప్రయారిటీ చెప్పండి. ప్రయారిటీలో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎలా చెప్పాలి? హౌ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డెలివర్ దిస్ ప్రయారిటీ? కస్టమర్ is not affecting such more. Okay, customer is happy, so that's why low priority. Customer is facing any problem is nothing but high priority. In 1 to 5 modules there is a issue, that is nothing but high priority. There is no issue in the 1 to 5 modules, low priority. Are you guys understood what's my logic, why I am repeating these terms again and again? Definitely you will
Understood, sir.
okay, if you go for interview they will ask you this stupid question mark. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Without this question, okay, from 2 days, past 2 days onwards, I'm giving you very realistic theoretical concept. Without those topics there is no testing interview. Any one of you, what are test case design pattern techniques? Both the teams, I want the answer. చూడండి పేపర్లు తిప్పేస్తున్నారండి ఎవరు అక్కడ, ఎవరు పేపర్లు టర్న్ చేస్తున్నారో కూడా ఇక్కడి నుంచి చెప్పగలను నేను. డోంట్ టర్న్ ద పేపర్స్, అది మీ పని, నిన్న చేసుకోవాల్సిన పని. ఈరోజు నేను అడిగిన దానికి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాల్సిన పని. నాకు 2 పనులు సరిగ్గా జరుగుతున్నా, అలా జరగకపోతే నా క్లాస్కి రావద్దు, వేస్ట్. మీ టైం వేస్ట్, నా టైం వేస్ట్. చదవండి, చదివితేనే పాఠాలు వస్తాయి. ఆర్ యు గైస్ అండర్స్టూడ్? ఓకే, మీరందరూ మెచ్యూర్ మైండ్స్ అండి, మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు ఎలా చదువుకోవాలో, బాగా చదువుకోండి. దాట్స్ ఇట్, నా పని నేను చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతా. సో మీ అందరికీ క్లారిటీ వచ్చిందండి?
Yes, sir.
లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఏమైనా చెప్పాలా? గుడ్ టు గో? ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice ma. Okay, if you want to go with my document, just go and explore the every content, automatically you can understand. But my dear students, don't treat the both names in a single page. If you want to convey single page in one example, it's not possible. After that you can search it these particular terminologies. Okay, clearly understand it, you can get the answers very clearly. Coming to the point of view ma, today I am going to explain you about the practical concepts like testing an application like Gmail. Just focus on it. Okay, another 15 minutes are there, just focus on it ma. Practical session we will go. Okay, we just go with practical order point of view, www.google.com. Okay, my dear students, please focus on it. www.cmail. Both the teams, please confirm me ma whether you are able to see my screen or not.
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Yeah, see here ma, please try to concentrate on it. Today I am going to check for create an account. Okay, if I hits on create an account, if I want to check and create an account, what the first testing you need to follow? Validation. Create an
Validation.
account along with GUI. Create an account. Okay, GUI and validation passed. Create an account. Okay, when I hits on create an account, directly it comes to create your Google account, Google logo to continue to Gmail, first name, last name, username, password, confirm password, show password, sign in instead, next button along with the logo content, along with the one box at the middle, and after that language selection, help, privacy, terms. See here, as a tester point of view, everything it started, everything it ended perfectly. Whatever the correlated field size, it's maintained perfectly, the correlated, and all the fields are maintained, and inner text also it's maintained perfectly. Like this you need to check it out. ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉండాలని ఎవరు చెప్తారండి? Business system analyst
Design
plus
team.
technical design team. Are you understood? Client will say only one thing, I want security application. So for security application, company people will thought it like this, and prepared the business analyst, system analyst, technical architect will give the plan like this. ఓకే, ఇదంతా ప్లాన్ ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి? డిజైన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. ఆ డిజైన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ని చూసి ఎవరు డెవలప్ చేశారని అనుకోండి. My intention is to say that this every requirement is given by business analyst, system analyst along with the technical architect. So as per the design document, developer kept this particular requirement, developed this requirement. Now as a test engineer, you need to treat it out. It's their right. You need to treat it as a real-time requirement, and whatever the requirement it placed, you need to check it with GUI validation. So GUI, sorry, first validation, it's perfectly there. Next GUI, capital letter, next to continue to Gmail. First name F capital letter, L capital letter, username U. Okay, you can use letters, comma, numbers and periods. Okay, full stop is not there. Okay, U capital letter, use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, comma, numbers and symbols. Okay, font size also very good, inner size also very good. Now GUI testing passed, validation testing passed. What type of testing can I go with second, third time?
Positive.
Positive functional flow.
See here, my dear students. Okay, I will go with MARIN, Marin. Maps. Okay, Marin Maps. Marin Maps. It's the indicated available username. By defaultly, it's get it. I don't want this particular default one. I am trying to keep it like this. Marin Maps. Okay. It's indicated with 1111. Okay, and password. Okay, just go and check with like this. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the same as confirm password. When you hit on it, it focus and it's going to up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, if you click on show password, it's showing perfect. If you click on show password, showing password, and disabled. Okay, when you hits on next button, if you entered valid data, it's going to next page. If you entered invalid data, okay, both are correct, but as per the conditions what they asked, please choose a stronger password. After full stop, try a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'm going with some password. Okay, this is my password. Okay, but I used only mobile number. Just concentrate on it, whether it is going to next level or not. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say? Use 8 or more characters, okay, with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, what is this meaning? Come on, my dear students.
All alphabets.
Okay, all alphabets, whether it is the uppercase or lowercase, you can use it. Okay, guys, understood? Give me a quick minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear students, please observe the logic ma. What is the condition here? Use 8 use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you want to go with mix of letters, that is nothing but if you want to continue with letters, you can go. If you want to continue with numbers, you can go. Okay. If you want to include everything, you can accept it. Okay. Right now, I went with 10 digits of mobile number. It accepted, right? It's a mix with if you want to go with mix, you can go with. If you want to go with individually of numbers, you can go with, because use 8 or after. This is the condition. Am I clear, guys, what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just as per the pattern point of view, we are going. Just concentrate on it. Okay. Just concentrate in. Yes, capital letters, Swami Kumar. Okay. At the rate. Okay. This is my password. Just concentrate on it. Just concentrate on it. Mix of letters along with camel cases, along with special character, along with number. Okay, everything is there, right? This is also another way. Let's check it out whether it's going to next appropriated page or not. Are you guys understood what is the exact meaning of that one? Hey guys,
Yes, sir.
respond to me. Sudha Pavani and batch, both the teams.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next level like this, you need to check it out, ma. Use, you can use letters, numbers, and whatever you want, you can use. Mix of whatever you want, you can use. But here doesn't specified. I want 4 to 6. I mean 8. Minimum is 8. Maximum is 256. And doesn't specified with the condition of only use numbers, only use special characters. They implemented mix of. Are you understood, guys? Like this, you need to think it and do the validation. Am I clear how you are going to do with GUI testing, validation testing, positive flow testing, negative flow testing? Got it? Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This is my password. Just assume it. Okay. Next, you are going to give it 987654321. Okay, invalid data you can give. Just check it out. Those password did not match. Those passwords did not match. Try again. Those T capital letter passwords did not match. Try again. Dot. Are you understood what I'm going to say? After full stop, T capital letter. Okay, this is one way. Positive flow you checked, negative flow you checked, database it's working perfect. Now entirely negative flow you need to check it. Without entering of any data, you need to click on validation. First name, enter first name and surname. What is the meaning of last name? Last name is nothing but surname only, right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Appropriated గా ఉందా లేదా చూసుకోండి. User name, choose a username, Gmail address. Enter a password. Instead of going with confirm password, retype password, re-enter password, ఈ సుత్తి లేకుండా ఏం చేశారు అది? It's disabled. Are you guys understood?
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, are you understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Like that you need to check it out. నేను టెస్టింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలో ఎప్పుడో నేర్పించేశాను. దాని మీద 5-6 క్లాసులు కాదు, చాలా రోజులు టెస్టింగ్ మీద వెళ్ళి ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేర్పించాను. మీ బాధ్యత ఇవన్నీ చేసుకోవాల్సింది. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, ma, Sudha Pavani. That's what I'm expecting. Come on.
Sir, in this first name, if you are going to click the first name,
Yes.
in validation messages has to show as enter first name only. Now, why it came as a surname?
Surname is also very important, right?
Yeah, surname is also important, sir. But when you are going to click the last name, if you are not enter, the validation messages has to show enter the surname has to show. But here both are comes to one line only.
You see here, it's indicated with the red color, ma. It's indicated with the red color. See here, first name is indicated with the red color. The same way it's indicated in the red color. And instead of throwing separate, please enter first name, please enter surname. Instead of that, it's the same page, right? So that's why red color indicated and first name and surname it's indicated directly.
But here, last name red color, I'm not getting.
Oh, it's not an issue. I told you, right? Are you accepted or not? It's a red color. Trust me. If it is a red color, are you accepted or not, my dear madam? That's Sudha Pavani. ఏదో కోర్టులో లాయర్ అడిగినట్టు అడుగుతారు మీరు. జస్ట్ ఊరికనే అంటున్నానమ్మా. ఓకే, డోంట్ థింక్ నెగిటివ్. ఓకే, దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. ఓకే, డోంట్ థింక్ నెగిటివ్.
Now it is getting dark red color.
That's it, ma. See here, every phase has one of the standardized order. Without clicking of any data, it's indicated with the red color. First name and last surname. When you click on it, okay, it's right now. When you click on it, first name it's going upper. When you click on it, last name is going upper. That is the functionality of their behavior of the fields. Got it? ఆ విధంగా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలండి. ఓకే, ఈరోజు టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అలొకేట్ యూ, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. యూ నీడ్ టు టెస్ట్ దట్ అప్లికేషన్. Create an account, log in, compose a mail, send a mail to me. Hello, Swami Kumar, how are you? Like that, you need to send a mail to me. Okay. Okay. And one more thing, attach a document of, okay, what is bug life cycle? Today, you need to learn it and write it down, that particular concept in, okay, one notepad, and attach that bug life cycle notepad to me and send a mail. Find the attached document. Hello, Swami Kumar. Find the attached bug life cycle document. Thanks and records your name along with your digital signature. Name is nothing but signature, and send a mail to me with a proper appropriated to my mail ID, subject name, along with body name, along with attached document, and send it to me. You need to check it for today testing. Create an account, sign in, compose, inbox, outbox, logout. Total 6 modules today you are going to complete it, ma. I want testing entirely. Second thing, if any issues are there, prepare a defect report. If issues are not there, ignore it. Third one, I require test cases for whatever I told up to now. My homework is clear, my dear students. Second project started.
Sir, if the issues is not there, then there is no need of test cases, sir.
Why, ma? Test cases are related to issues? What you are talking?
No, sir, I'm asking.
No, just concentrate on it. Test cases are nothing but functionality perspective. If issues is not there, no need to prepare defect reporting. Understand the terminology. Sudha Pavani. Hello, Sudha Pavani, please speak it out. అర్థమవుతుందా? డిఫెక్ట్ రిపోర్టింగ్ కి టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ కి సంబంధం లేదు. టెస్టింగ్ లో ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటే డిఫెక్ట్ రిపోర్టింగ్ చేయి. టెస్టింగ్ లో ఇష్యూస్ లేకపోతే నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ అనుకో, మొత్తం ఎగిరిపోతుంది నా సబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో అందుకని మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిందని నేను ఒకసారి స్ట్రిక్ట్ చేశాను. ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్? రైట్. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, టెస్టింగ్ అంటేనే ఏంటి? టెస్టింగ్ చేయటం, తప్పులు వస్తే డిఫెక్ట్ రిపోర్టింగ్ చేయటం, టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ రాయటం. వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఇన్ మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్, మై డియర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్? Testing an application. While testing an application, if you find any issue, try to prepare defect reporting. Got it? Once defect reporting is finalized, అంటే టెస్టింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు డిఫెక్ట్ రిపోర్టింగ్ రావాలనేది మెయిన్ కాదండి. మన డెవలపర్ పెద్ద తోపు అనుకోండి, ఒక్క సింగిల్ ఇష్యూ కూడా రాదండి. ఐ వర్క్డ్ విత్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డెవలపర్స్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ మై కెరీర్. అప్లికేషన్ 15 రోజులు టెస్ట్ చేసిన ఒక్క ఇష్యూ కూడా పట్టుకోకుండా సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఇచ్చిన రోజులు కూడా ఉన్నాయండి. ఇట్స్ టోటల్ క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు ద క్రేజీనెస్ ఆఫ్ ద డెవలపర్స్. అటువంటి డెవలపర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారండి. నియర్లీ సమ్టైమ్స్ వీ యూస్ టు టెస్ట్ ద అప్లికేషన్ విత్ 1 to 2 months. Even without reporting of single issue, we closed the total project with module by module as per the sprints. ఎంత ట్రై చేసినా ఒక్క ఇష్యూ కూడా ఇవ్వలేని ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కూడా చూశానండి నేను. ఓకే, అంటే ఇది చాలా రేర్గా చెప్తానండి. ఎంటైర్ నా కెరీర్లో ఒక 3 to 4 months చూసుంటానేమో అంతే అటువంటి చిన్న మాడ్యూల్స్. దాని తర్వాత ఆ మాడ్యూల్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆ డెవలపర్స్ వేరే మాడ్యూల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోతారండి. మళ్ళీ మిగతా వాళ్ళు వస్తారండి. వాళ్ళు వస్తే బోల్డెన్ బగ్గులు. గాట్ ఇట్? జీమెయిల్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు బగ్స్ రావాలనే లేదు, బగ్స్ రాకుండా కూడా క్లోజ్ అయిపోవచ్చు. కానీ మీరు జీమెయిల్ టెస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా టెస్ట్ చేయండి. అందులో బగ్స్ ఉన్నాయో లేవో రేపు చూద్దాం. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it? సో ఈ గూగుల్ వాడు కూడా చూడండి వ్యాలిడేషన్ మెసేజ్ని, దీన్ని కాషన్ సింబల్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఒక కాషన్ సింబల్ పెట్టి ఎస్కలమేటరీ మార్క్ పెట్టి పెట్టాడండి. అంటే ఈ స్పేస్ కూడా చూడండి ఎంత బాగా మెయింటైన్ చేశాడు. అలా 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 ఉండాలండి ఎప్పుడైనా కంటెంట్. ఆర్ యు గైస్ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సే? కమ్ ఆన్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Okay, I will show you some other thing, ma. Please be concentrate on it. If you hit a create an account from direct Google, that's the thing. If you are going accounts.google.com, below the sign in page create account, okay, you will observe 3 differences. Are you understood, my dear students? These are nothing but scenarios. When you directly hit a create an account, it will come directly page. When you pick it from below the login page, you will have 3 options. You need to make create an account for myself, create an account for my child, create an account to manage my business. చూడండి టెస్టింగ్ లో సినారియోస్ ఎలా వస్తున్నాయో చూడండి. క్రియేట్ అన్ అకౌంట్ ఫర్ మై సెల్ఫ్, create an account for my child, create an account to manage my business. అందులో for myself, for F capital letter, F capital letter, 2 capital letter, for my self అని కొట్టగానే మళ్ళీ అదే పేజ్. మీరు మిత్రమా ఇంకొకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. ఫర్ మై చైల్డ్ కొట్టగానే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ చేంజ్ అయిందండి. ఇది ఎప్పుడు వచ్చిందో తెలుసా అండి? COVID-19లో వచ్చిందండి ఈ ఫీచర్. ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్? జీమెయిల్ ఈజ్ అప్డేటింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? మీకు ఏమైనా ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పిందా? COVID-19లో నేను చైల్డ్కి ఒక జీమెయిల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను, పేరెంట్గా నువ్వు 13. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఐ విల్ help manage this account until your child is 13 or applicable age in your country. Are you understood? As per the requirements, జీమెయిల్ అనేది తన యొక్క పంతాన్ని మార్చుకుని ఇట్స్ went for next phase. And you need to click on yes, continue, accepted the license, then you can create an account. Understood, my dear students, what I'm going to convey for you?
Yes, sir.
Understand,
Then
sir.
you need to think on it. ఒక అప్లికేషన్ టెస్టింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఏకాగ్రతతో చేయాలండి. ఏకాగ్రతతో చేసేటప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా ఫోకస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఎలా వెళ్తుంది ఫ్లో, ఆ ఫ్లోకి నేను ఒక టెస్ట్ ఇంజనీర్గా వ్యాలిడేషన్ ఎలా చేయాలి, GUI ఎలా చేయాలి ఎవరు చెప్పరండి. టెస్టింగ్ అంటే 2 ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఫ్లో, ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ ఫ్లో. టెస్టింగ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఓన్లీ 2 flows, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓన్లీ పాజిటివ్ ఫ్లో అండ్ నెగిటివ్ ఫ్లో. GUI అండ్ వ్యాలిడేషన్ మీకు తెలియాలి, మీ మనసుకు తెలియాలి. Am I clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, tomorrow your task is totally cleared, ma. Tomorrow I will share my expected result. You need to maintain your actual result and keep it with you. Okay, Shakila, if you are there means please call me at 5:30 p.m. ma. Okay, I will inspect your document and I will let you know. Okay, right. Okay guys, have a great day. Tomorrow we'll catch up at exactly 8 a.m. Bye team.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
one
you,
more thing,
sir.
I send my email ID to your WhatsApp groups. Please check it out, ma.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Skype team, everyone please note it down. Swami Kumar testing at the rate gmail.com. Those who want to know about my email ID, just go with Swami, SWAMY, Swami Kumar, KUMAR Kumar, TESTANG at the rate gmail.com. Send a mail with my prerequisite conditions. Your task begins. Bye, team. Bye, ma. Hyse team.
Sir, mail address one more time, sir.